everyone, welcome to this video. In one of my other videos on Blender, I showed you how you can use walk navigation or fly navigation, but those were only for viewport navigation, meaning that you couldn't render them. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can render your walking or flying. Like this. First, click on your camera and then open up sidebar panel, view, and lock camera to view. Now, click on auto keying and play the animation. Activate walk or flying navigation. And now let's watch it. And here you get your camera animated and ready for rendering. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Atusa.colors, and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Goodbye.